In this lab, we are going to discuss about the analyze a DNS server configuration. So on a Windows operating system, how you can analyze the DNS, or how you can do the DNS record, or how you can add the DNS record in a Windows Server 2016. So I will show you how you can do it. This server manager, actually this is a good thing. In a server, everything you will get the, like graphical interface. So once you are accessing the graphical interface, you will feel some better. So there is a two zone, forward zone, reverse zone, trust point, and confidence conditional forward. Forward zone means this zone will provide the information of you. So there is a 3 MSDC corp 515 support and corp.515. Okay, these are the forward lookup zone 3. So once you will select any zone, so you can see here the record are exist. Record we have discussed already, like DNS and A record. We have discussed A record, triple A record, 4-time A record, MX record, NS record, CNAME record, all we have discussed. So you can see here the DC10 name and the IP address is 10.1.16.1. Another is Kali and the host record is 10.16.192. So these are the record which can be accessed over here. Okay. So if you want to add the new record, so you need to just right click here on this, and then you can create a new host A and triple A record. It's depend which record you are going to be add. If you want to add the record for the A, so you can provide here the record name. So I am providing the record name is router LAN 10, and here the IP address. The IP address is 10.1.254.254. Okay, so this is the record, and you will have to click the add host, so you can see one record has been added. Okay, if you want to add record another record, so you can add here another record you can add. So how you can add the record, like I am again adding the same record with the another IP address. IP address I am providing the IPv6 address. So FDF02413. This is the IPv6. Okay, 6D. If you want to do the same thing on the packet tracer, so you can do it. 01 FC 00FFFF. So when I add this record, you can see this is automatically convert into the IPv6 host, and this is the record of the IPv4 record. Okay, so I have created this record. So now I am moving on the PC10. Login on this by using the username and password, Jamie username and the password. Now I am going to open the CMD or the PowerShell, whatever you like. You can use both of them, any of them. Run as an administrator. Now I am going to ping with the so getting the reply, and IP address is 10.1.1, and if I want to nslookup, so it will display some information here. This is the domain name rlan.10, and this is a fully qualified domain name FQDN, and this is the IP address. And here is the, if I want to get the IPv6, then I can use the ping -6 and give the rlan10 same. So it is pinging, and you can see this is the ping is coming from this particular IPv6 address. Okay, so this is the DNS record which is actually resolving the name into IP. So another thing I can access, I am going to minimize this and open the here and provide the host name rlan simple rlan10, and connect with the SSH, yes, and give the username BYOS and the password is a and host name. So you can see the host name is VYOS. Actually this is the rlan. So you have seen I have used only the host name, and with the help of the host name I have connected without IP address. Okay, so nslookup we have used already. I am going to exit from this